Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The devotees at the press will not feel nice until all your books are published.
That's nice.
They're working now night shifts also.
Oh.
24 hours.
24 hours on the composers. So that we can take full advantage of the machines.
And Guru Prabhu, how many papers you are finishing? You can finish 50 papers at least.
I'm trying.
Huh?
I'm trying. 1 hour tape.
Oh.
I agree with finished volume 6 of Manju Leela today.
Huh?
I agree with finished editing volume 6 of Manju Leela today.
Oh, volume 6?
Yes.
Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Yes, out of 9 volumes, I agree with has finished 6 of Manju Leela.
He says
Altogether there will be 9 volumes?
Of Madhya-lila.
Madhya-lila
Oh.
alone, 9 volumes.
And 4 volumes Ancha Leela.
Altogether 16 volumes.
Where is our God Gomani?
He is in
Buffalo.
the east. Buffalo.
Preaching?
Yes.
So you are with him? Sudama?
Yes.
Preaching is going on, nice.
Yes.
He told me that the whole Chaitanya Charitamrita editing will be finished by the end of August.
Hmm?
All of the Chaitanya Charitamrita editing will be finished by the end of August.
They are coming also? Nitai?
Itai and Jagannath will be coming.
Monday.
In about 3 days.
Monday. By the end of July it'll be. Oh. So it's going very fast now.
Very. Turnam Jaseta. We should try very fast before the next death comes. And death will come. So we shall prepare in such a way that before the next death comes over, we finish our Krishna consciousness business and go back to home back. Tattadeham punarjanmane. This is perfection. Because if we wait for another birth, maybe we may not get. Even Bharat Maharaj, he also slipped, he became a deer. So we should always keep vigilant. We have got this opportunity, human form of life. Let us utilize it to the fullest extent and be fit for going back to home. That is intelligence. Not that, all right, I shall get again chance next month. That is not very good policy. Turnam. Turnam means very hastily. Finish. Turnam jaseta anumuttu paseta javat. These people are wasting time. As if they will live forever. What is the use of this? Karasi. It is very popular in Mexico.
Everywhere.
Will that method save from death? When the death will come, will this sound, whoa, will save them? This is foolishness. Instead of chanting Hare Krishna, then resounding some sound, thinking that this sound will save. This is called foolishness, mura. Research পাইলে জনমতি ছন্ন হয়. And if you ask them that why you are sounding so loudly, chant Hare Krishna, they laugh.
What did Bhaktivinoda Thakur mean when he said, "I'm going my work unfinished"? And Bhaktivinoda Thakur stated that he was leaving this planet with his work unfinished.
So let us finish. We are descendants of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So he kept unfinished so that we shall get the chance to finish it. That is his mercy. He could have finished immediately. He's Vaishnava, he's all powerful. But he gave us chance that you foolish people you are also work. That is his mercy.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna